Instagram line break caption. Hey everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. So now let me show you guys how you can add break caption. So now just go to your Instagram account, go to bio, and here just add caption, and then we're gonna be using this website to add a line break. But before doing that, you just need to add, this is the first step, is to write up your caption in Instagram or line breaks and then paste it in the text area above. So now just add your text. You can also add some emoji. This will create or it will just make your bio to be more appealing and eye-catching. So after you added your emojis and you added line breaks, just copy the text and put it right here, paste the text right here, paste it, and now just tap on generate copy, generate or copy caption, and copy now, and just paste it right here. And now if you save, you'll see that it worked without any problem. Look. So I hope this video helped you. Subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching this video.